This is my chicken collection. It's a lovely one with fruit on. A lovely, lovely glass one that Jason bought me. That's another one with nice fruit and flowers on. That's a lushy one. That's what Jason bought me. Sonia Babe's got me that one. There's Mr. Egg next to it with my sweet eggs. Oh, and a coconut. Up there's one that Granny bought me. Sam and Adie. I think JC Babe's got me that one. And that one, oh, can't see it. That one Granny bought me. Oh, got you. Little mouse in a little bowl. With cat. My lushy little set I got for £1 at the car boot. And me flasks. And my little chickens. And my lovely chicken clock.